All right, thanks, Hunter. Well, today marks day 3 of the criminal trial against former assistant principal Ebony Parker after a teacher was shot and injured by a student at Richneck Elementary School in 2023. Here's a live look at the courtroom as evidence is reviewed and motions are filed following several witness testimonies yesterday, including Abby Werner, the teacher who was shot. Madison Schlegel joins us with the latest from Newport News as the judge strikes down a major motion. Good afternoon, Madison.
Yeah, Marta, earlier this morning, we did hear that the judge was hearing a motion from the defense about possibly a mistrial in this case. The prosecution had also agreed with the defense in this motion. The judge went into recess to decide what to do here in this case. The judge did come out at about 10:30 this morning and said that she's denying that motion for a mistrial on the basis that jurors here can ask questions and they are the triers of fact. So again, they're going to let this case play out, knowing that there's still evidence to be admitted into today that the jurors can get their hands on in order to see. So as the jurors get that evidence, they're able to kind of compile all of that and know that they can't talk about any of it until the end of the case. But in the meantime, the judge says that whatever questions the jurors have about whatever information they are being given, they are allowed to ask. So after that motion was again denied by the judge today, they also brought on their first witness. That was that was the HR director of Newport News Public Schools. She testified on the stand today, and also they showed a video where we heard words from Ebony Parker just days after the incident explaining why she stayed in her office during all of this. We found out that obviously the school was undergoing standardized testing, so that was the reason that Parker had used in the HR investigation by Newport News Public Schools to say that was why she didn't leave her office that day. So we just saw that video. It was 15 minutes of a 30-minute Zoom, a roughly 30-minute Zoom that the prosecution did enter into evidence. That video just concluded, and the defense was just about to start asking questions to that witness in the meantime. So again, we're hearing that testimony. We know that they're breaking at 1 o'clock here for lunch, and the judge said that all evidence and all arguments will be made by 5 o'clock today, and that's when court today will end. Live in Newport News, Madison Schlegel, 13 News Now.
All right, thanks for the update, Madison. Stick with us right here on 13 News Now for complete coverage and analysis of the trial as day 3 continues. You can tune in on air and on the 13 News Now streaming app.